Good morning and welcome to another section of GSP 1202/2202, Use of Library, Study Skills and ICT. I am still your tutor, Ismail Abu Zibiri from the Department of Computer Science, Bayero University, Kano. We'll be taking Module 9, Part 5. Today we'll be talking about the last part of the word processing software that we'll be treating, and it's the Microsoft PowerPoint. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation program that allows you to create dynamic slides presentation. This presentation can include animals or animations, narrations, image, videos, and much more. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to use PowerPoint to create slides of different images. We'll be learning also how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint environment, how to include ribbon, use the quick access toolbar, and the backstage view. We should also note that from the first class to this class, we have been using PowerPoint to present different slides. We'll learn how to do this on our Microsoft presentation class. The first, how do you open your Microsoft PowerPoint? How do you go to PowerPoint on your system? Like we have always stated, from each of the word processing software we have used, it's the same way we have to open our PowerPoints too. We go to our start menu, we click on it, all the application installed on our system will display there. We'll go through them and we'll see PowerPoint. When we see PowerPoint, we'll double click on it. When you double click on it, it will display the front view or the overview of the PowerPoint. Then we'll see a blank presentation on the overview. We'll click on the blank presentation, and at that point we can do whatever we want to do with our PowerPoint. We'll be taking a view on working with the PowerPoint environment. Like we have said, on the different word processing software we have talked about, PowerPoint also have what is called a ribbon and a quick access toolbar. The ribbon on Microsoft PowerPoint is a tabbed ribbon system. We have talked about a tab ribbon system. A tab ribbon system is a system where each of the ribbon buttons have other buttons underneath them. They are attached and grouped together. When we click on the home, there are other buttons attached or they are underneath the home. When you click on the home, they will display. This is the tabbed ribbon system, and Microsoft PowerPoint also use the tabbed ribbon system. The PowerPoint also have what is called the tell me feature. This is where you tell the PowerPoint what you can't do, or you are not able to access, or you want it to do for you. Example, if you type shapes or insert shapes, it will show you the different kind of shapes, and when you click on any one of them, it will display on your slide. Or if you click on insert table, it will show you the table and show you how to insert the table. These are part of the functions of the PowerPoint tell me what you want to do. If you forgot anything that you want to do in PowerPoint, this helps you remember and tell you this is how you're going to do it. These are one of the benefits of the tell me features. The tell me key is right at the side of the ribbon. At the side of the ribbon is where the tell me what you want to do is located. If you look at the top of your PowerPoint, the let me call it the first line. At the end of the first line, you see the tell me what you want to do. Right above the ribbon is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar helps us to do different things on our presentation. If we are at the end of our presentation and we want to quickly go to the start of our presentation, we want to save, we want to undo, we want to redo, the quick access toolbar is a go-to feature that easily helps us do all of this. If we want to save our PowerPoint, we want to email it to someone, this quick access toolbar has all these functionalities. It is right above the ribbon, and it's an kind of a play symbol that is upside down and has a dash at the top of it. That is where the quick access toolbar is located. The PowerPoint has a variety of views, or the viewing option. How do you want your slides to look like? PowerPoint has all these features to make your PowerPoint look presentable. When you want to read, it makes it look easy to read, and all these options are right at the right hand side, close to the end of the slide. There are different view options on the slide. We have the reading option. The reading option makes it look more bold and more a kind of a larger view. This helps you read it much more easier. We have the slide sorter, which brings about 6 slides at one presentation. The slide sorter brings that to you. Then a normal view, which puts the slides at the right hand side, all the slides at the left hand side, and your slide itself, the main page, on the right hand side. We can also view from 0 to more than 100% on your slide. If you want it very big, the display to be very big, or you want it a kind of slimmer or very small, the slide view has all of these features. The zoom in and out features, to do this you just have to click on the plus or the minus, and it increases and decreases. Slides make you switch from one of the slide view to others very easy. All of those keys are at the right hand corner at the end of the slide. All the views are there. You just have to click one after the other, and you can navigate via the different zooming options. These are many more you can do with your display, how you want it to display, the number of percentage. For those that want theirs very large on the screen, they can do that. For them that want only the slides on their screen, they can do that. And if you want to print multiple slides on a particular page when you are printing out, the slide sorter options help you do that too. Having played with your slides, made slides and others, the backstage view helps you in saving, reopening, printing and sharing your presentation. To do this, you just have to click on the file on the ribbon, and it brings up varieties of options. These options can help you in saving the file, opening the file another time, or opening the file for the first time, printing of your slides. If you want to print them, you can also share your presentation and email it to whoever you want to email them to. These and lots more options are on the backstage view. Slides and slides layout. When you insert a new slide, it usually have a placeholder. This placeholder is at your left hand corner on your slide. It shows you where content will be placed. There are different kind of slides layouts. This slide layout helps you to make your presentation on different patterns, and you have to click on the kind of layout you want on your slides whenever you are creating a new slide. If you want it 2-in-1, if you want it just one page, if you want it a blank page, content with capture and all, like this on our presentation, we are using 2 different kind of slides. We are using a kind of slides where the slide will be on one side and an image on the other side, which is the 2 content slides. We also have the comparison slides. We also have a slide for the title only. We have a slide for normal title and content section at the end of it. These and many more are different slides layout that we can have on our presentation. This helps to give our presentation a different look where it is presentable and we can capture our audience. That's why we have different kind of slides layout. PowerPoint presentation can contain a large number of slides. It can contain as many slides as you need. There is a navigation pane at the left hand side of your slides. This left hand side, this navigation plane or pane, helps you to arrange your slides. From there you can duplicate. If you have multiple slides that you don't want to use, you can delete your slides in your presentation. This organization of slides help you in arranging your slides before a presentation and giving it different captions. This navigation plane makes you see the slides that you are presenting and the next slide you are to present. And it helps for easy organization and helps also for easy presentation. If you want to copy the same slide and paste it on the same slide you're using or you're working on, it is easier and better to just duplicate the slide. To duplicate a slide, right click on the slide you want to duplicate. When you right click on it, lots of options will display. A new slide, duplicate slide, delete slide, etc. Just click on duplicate and the same copy of that slide would be on your slides. All you have to do is click on the next one beneath it. It's the duplicate copy. You can also duplicate multiple slides on your slides that you are on your presentation. You can have 100 of the same slides. You can duplicate them. You can just keep duplicating them and you have lots of copy of the same slides. On your organization of your PowerPoint, you can move and also delete slides. To move a slide, let's say you have a slide on page 14 and when arranging you said, oh, this slide has to be on page 1. All you have to do is go to your left hand corner where you have your navigation, all the slides there. Hold on, place your mouse on the slide you want to move, hold on to it and drag it to any point you want it to. It automatically moves to that point, and if it's not there you want it, you can still also move it to another point. If you want to remove a slide, all you have to do is to delete the slide. You can either press delete, backspace, or right click on your mouse and the delete option would be there. All you have to do is just click on the delete and automatically the slides will go away. If you want to create several copies of a slide, you can copy an entire slide and paste it either on the same slideshow or on a new slide. I can have a presentation too. I have one I am working on. I can copy all the content of one and go and paste it on another slide. As I can also copy a content from one and go and paste it on another page on the slide. All I have to do is to click on the slide I want to copy. I would Control C the slide and go to wherever I want the slide to be on and I'll paste it there. Sometimes you may find that a slide layout doesn't exactly fit your needs. For example, the placeholders you might want to type your text in, they might be too many or they might be too few. All you have to do is to rearrange your placeholders to actually fit into what you want to do. Hover your mouse around the placeholders and click the text next to it on the border. You can use it to add a placeholder or delete a placeholder if they are too many. This helps give your slides a better fitting on what you want to do with your slides. Customizing slides to make it look much more presentable and captivating to your audience, you need to work on the design and the sizes of the slides. When you click on design, at the edge of the design or the end of the top part of the design, you see what is called a slide size. With that, you can increase or decrease the screen of your slides. After increasing or decreasing of your slide screen, you can also format the background. If your background, by default, it comes with a plain background, a white background, you can also change the color of the background to light blue or whatever color you choose you want as your background color. To change that, the format background is just at the side of the slide size. When you click on it, it brings a solid fill and other fills, and you can change the color of your backgrounds from there. You can also apply themes to your PowerPoint. The theme is located at the design just before your slide size and your background. The themes is before each of them. You have various themes. When you click on the themes, you have over 100 themes. You can hover around them and click on the one that perfectly fits into your presentation. Once you are done creating your beautiful presentation, you can play your presentation from the start to the end. All you have to do is click on play just above your ribbon, and at the side of your quick access toolbar, there is a play there. When you click on it, it plays your slides from the beginning to the end. Thank you very much. If there's any question, you can send me an email and I'll respond to it. Thank you very much, and we'll continue from here on our next class.